Number 5 is that certifications are nice, but they're not the job, right? They're textbook, there's right and wrong answers, but real world situations are going to be typically a little bit more gray area and require a lot of compromise. So a question I would ask here is, tell me about the messiest Jira instance you've ever inherited and what you did with it. Now, what you want is specific stories and real trade-offs and compromises, because there really is no world where everybody gets everything that they want. Leadership gets every single possible metric they want. Employees use Jira religiously and fill out hundreds of required fields, right? That's never going to happen. So you want to make sure that there's real compromise and trade-offs with maybe even asking about compromises and trade-offs that they've made, if they didn't mention it, that actually have impacted what happens inside of that Jira environment. Red flags here are like if it's mostly just theory, high level, and not as much practical experience with some of those things that would need to be done or experienced by a really good Jira admin. So that's kind of the list here that I would take. If you want help with anything with Jira today, we absolutely can help with that. You could book a call. There's going to be a link here at the bottom. Just grab a time slot there. Sometimes it takes months to hire someone, so we're happy to jump in, offer some practical advice, suggestions, or if you have questions about any of this, we'd love to chat. Or if you want to work with us, feel free to book a call. We'd love to work with you as well. And thanks for watching.